Hi, I'm Marna, and if you hear a funny noise, it's my dog. She's walking around talking while I'm getting ready. I have a few dolls I wanted to show you and a little opening, box opening. I love Trolls and I love Barbie. And I found these troll Barbies on eBay and I just had to laugh. I found this one first, not the original outfit for the troll girl, but if you can see their earrings, they have on troll earrings. This one has on a troll print outfit. See the little trolls on that? Kind of hard to see because they're so little, but see there's a little troll and there's a little troll and there's one here. Just cute. Just funny. Their little trolls did not come with them. They did come with baby trolls when they originally came out. This one's so funny though. When I was a kid, depending on where you lived, talked about how sexy you were. Like if you lived in lower income, you were considered trailer trash if you dressed like this. If you were mid-income, you were sleazy. But if you were high income, oh, she's so sexy and sleek. So isn't that funny? I just thought of that with the little outfit. I just love it. I really love her outfit. Anyway, we went to Target and they had these great trolls. I don't normally buy the new trolls. I do when I see them at garage sales, but I don't normally buy them new. But as you can see, they were on clearance, and as I've said before, I'm cheap, so I bought a couple, one to open and one to not. If you look around on YouTube, you will find a troll craft, and I have one. It was my first craft doll video, was putting the yarn in the troll's hair. I love those. They have been dubbed yarnies, and these two I made as my head tip to the knocks on Stargate. As you can see, they look like the little knocks that were on there. So I was quite surprised when I went in Target and they actually made new trolls with the yarn in their hair. I thought it was funny. They're paying attention to what people are doing. So we're going to open one up and we're going to leave the other one in the box. It's cute little packaging. I have come to the conclusion that dolls are being packed so tightly anymore because of all the thieves. It's terrible. Anyway, it's a little pink body troll with the movie and the cartoon look. Her hair's got a little holder in it. I'm going to leave for right now, but if you took that down and went like that, it'd be cute. This is it's kind of a yarn, kind of a string, and it's just as cute as it can be. She's just a little thing. And what we have here, I honestly, I don't know, but I'm betting it goes on her arm. Oh, I honestly don't know. Maybe it sits in her hand. Well, anyway, that's what we have there. I just got a kick out of it because toy makers are paying attention. Thank you for visiting our channel. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a note in the comments if you heard my dog during the video. Thank you.